Okay guys, so now for health, we are going to be talking about more nutrition. Remember last time we were talking about the 5 food groups. So we had fruits and vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. All right, so my plate. The United States Department of Agriculture, or the USDA, created this picture of a plate to help us make sure that we get all the nutrients we need for each meal. So if you look, here's the fruits portion, vegetables, grains, and protein. And dairy. Each of the 5 food groups is drawn onto the plate. As you can see, the vegetables and grains, so these two, are a little bit bigger than the fruits and the proteins and the dairy. This helps you see what foods you need to eat and how much of each food should be on your plate. So now I want you guys to answer these 3 true or false questions. I have these in teams, so you don't actually have to do it on this worksheet. So the first one says, my plate shows the 6 major food groups. So I want you to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many food groups there are, and tell me if that's true or false. Number 2 says there should be more vegetables than fruit on my plate. So look, here's the vegetables and here's the portion. So which one's bigger? If it's vegetables, it's true. If it's fruits, it's false. And then my plate was created by the USDA. So we did see that already before, if you remember. Right there. So the USDA created a picture of the plate to help us. So tell me if that's true or false. All right, guys, go ahead and go over to Teams and answer those questions.